Sharks, are you ever in an important meeting in front of pretty important people, and all of a sudden, you get the hiccups? Hiccups can be really embarrassing. They can be annoying and sometimes even painful.
Amanda, here, try this. Pinch your nose, drink this glass of water all down in one gulp, and snap.
The most effective way that you can stop your hiccups.
Guys, look, I'll save a lot of time. I love it. Anything that solves a medical problem that really bothers people in one way or the other and has the science to back it up is a good thing, right? $50,000 that you asked for 20%. Yeah, I'm not going to wait around.
It's okay.
So it's your decision to make.
18.
No.
Mark, you have
You
a
have a
deal.
deal.
You have